Thank you Lord sa araw na to kasi gagawin nyo na po kaming isa. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo na nakilala kong babae ito. Sana po pagpalain nyo ang aming relasyon at maging masaya.
Sobra kami nagpapasalamat sa Diyos dahil this is it. Talaga nakita namin kung gaano nyo ginawa ang lahat para yung gusto nyo is marating nyo ngayon. Kaya yung yugto, bagong yugto na inyong tatakin ngayon, kasama nyo kami sa mananalangin araw-araw.
Baby, meeting you made me realize what love really means. So here's something I made specially for you entitled, So is Pao. Love is patient, so is Pao. When you faithfully waited for me from the other side of the world, where I am fulfilling my dreams and responsibilities in life. Love is kind, so is Pao. When he worries more than about my well-being than his own. I remember the time na sinusundo mo ako sa Global kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. And every time natututen ako at may pasok ka ng gabi, kinakaya mo akong ihatid pa uwi kasi madilim na. Love does not boast and is not proud, so is Pao. When he acknowledged his wrongs and always tried to be a better version of himself from me.
Makabait ka lalo.
Mahal na mahal kita, Mami, kahit mag-aasawa na ako.
O bakit dapat ba hindi na?
Mahal, I know you are the one the moment I saw the notes on your phone. Kung paano mo ilista ang mga bagay na gusto at ayaw ko. I am promising you to be your 1 Corinthians 13, the definition of love, all days of my life as you are mine.
The places I've been going, the faces I've been passing.
Ngayong gabi, masasabi kong kinaya talaga natin lahat ng pagsubok patungo sa pagmamahalan natin habang buhay. Simula pa lang ito ng unang kabanata natin, gawin nating umpisa pa lang happy na at wala nang hindi.
But only the ghost of you haunts me.
Paulo Gabriel sa harap ng Diyos at nitong mga saksi, tinatanggap mo ba si Rachel May upang maging tunay at legal mong asawa? Opo.
Maybe it's time that I let go.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi ko pinangarap na mapangasawa ka lang. Pinlano at ginusto ko na ikaw makasama ko habang buhay.
Thank you for loving me the way I wanted and how I deserve to be loved. Thank you for being patient na bawal akong gabihin tuwing may date tayo kahit 25 na ako. Thank you for understanding na strict ang parents ko and need ng advance notice kapag gagala ako. But from now on, pwede na tayong mag-solo trip together. Gabihin sa pag-uwi, at higit sa lahat, wala nang hatirang gaganapin. You don't need to take me home anymore, cause from now on, you are my home.
The road that I've been walking is taking quite a toll on me. Places I've been going, this feeling I've been chasing.
Hindi ko nakalikat. Hindi maga.
I went to the coast, but only the ghost of you haunts me. All that I've known is searching for hope, but maybe it's time that I
Ay, naku, ba't hindi ka umiyak?
Bakit?
maybe it's time that I let go.
I love you, now and forever. Pipiliin ka sa araw-araw, ikaw at ako, palagi.